Hi, boys and girls. Instead of our number talk, I'd like you to explore on this online whiteboard. You know, Miss Catalunya wants to get math centers going, and this is going to be one of the tools that we're going to use in our math center. It also is going to be something that I may use to explain a problem, you know, instead of using my document camera. So I just wanted to introduce to you this whiteboard online. It's connected to a tutoring subscription, but we don't have to get into that subscription. We just need to borrow this tool of theirs. All right, so as you can see, this is the select tool, okay? And the last time I was using was the pencil, all right? And that's probably why it gave me the pencil. This is, of course, the eraser, and if you want to make it a little bit thicker, you increase the number and it will get thicker and then probably faster to erase. Another way to erase a board, but that's going to be the whole board, is on this menu. You have something like a little broom and it says clear all. It's going to ask you, do you really want to clear all? And I say yes. This one, hopefully it'll go back. Let's see if it goes to 0. I'm also exploring it myself. It seems like these boxes, and you might find out how to, oh, there it is. When you want to, insert or how do you say, tuck in those boxes, you click that select tool. Okay. There are different colors that you can use when you use the pencil. There's also different shapes because we're going to get into geometry. There's the text. So when you click on that, the plus sign, I think, gives you a text. This one gives you the different menu for your text. All right. You will play around with it. What if I don't want this? I think you can go to clear all again. Yes. And then click on that select tool and it tucks it back in. This is image. If you want to insert an image from, and it's not your Google Drive, but it's your computer's directory. There's the calendar that we did. I don't know if they could even make that any bigger. I mean, even smaller. Let me see if I pinch it. No. But then that's how these images work. Okay. It's your computer's own directory. Let's tuck that in. And this one is the tutor subscription. So if you click on that, it's going to ask you, you want to connect? No, you don't want to. Go back to the thing. Hold on. Yeah, there's an X here. Hold on. Let me move myself here so I can, exit out of that. This one is a meeting room ID. Join your meeting room. We will practice this later, okay? Maybe we could have a meeting room. I don't know if it's Google Meet, so let's not play with it until I give you more directions on it, okay? This one is when so for example, you have some kind of problem that you want to, background, if you want to use, let's see, I'm gonna clear all. Oh, I know. Let's make it white, right? Okay, there. Suppose you're writing something. Example, 11 times 2 equals 22. And then you happen to, draw some picture or something. Sorry. This arrow will download it. Okay, so this one downloads it as a board, like the Whiteboard. This one downloads it as a picture, like you want to put it on Google Drive. Got it? So let's make it, since you're already done, I think when it's a board, don't quote me because I'm still exploring it. I think you could still write on it. All right. But let's download it as a JPEG, an image, because you want to later on insert it in a Google slide. Okay. So there it is. Do you see how it just went straight down? Okay. And see this little arrow? You can show the folder. Don't open it. Just show the folder. And there it is. And if you want to rename it, again, you right click, or see how your ThinkPad, sorry, your pad, I think yours is a Chromebook, mine's a ThinkPad, but your Chromebook has a pad for your cursor. You just do the right click, and then you can scroll down to rename. Rename is very close to delete, so be really careful. And then it opens up the box, and you can write your name, or you could say math, okay, math work. And then you're not done, because look out here, for maybe yours has different directories, like a different directory or similar one to me. I would slide it over to the desktop, okay? And then that's moving it. See how you can use your cursor and slowly point it to, see how it says move to desktop, and let it go. And it's now on your desktop. This is all the list of my desktop, and there's math work. If you want to be really, really sure, you minimize your screen and look at your desktop, and there it is. Okay? And so let's go back to our whiteboard. And that's it. So I'll give you the link, and let's start exploring our online whiteboard.